Today, we'll be taking a look at the thermal fuse and thermistor on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first remove the electrical cover followed by the rear panel. The electrical cover has one screw on the top. Take this off, slide off your cover and set it to the side. And then the back panel has multiple 1/4" screws around the perimeter. We'll do the ones on the side first. The ones in the middle. Put your arm against it to remove the very last one. Bend it out, lift up, and set it to the side. Now that you have the back removed, we have clear access to our thermal fuse and then our thermistor. The main reason why you'd be replacing your thermal fuse is if the unit will not start. Now, in order to test the fuse itself, you'll pull off the wiring and you'll use your ohm meter to test for continuity. You want this to have continuity. If it doesn't, that means that it has popped. Now, there's a couple of different things that can cause this to pop, such as airflow. If the air is restricted and it is causing it to overheat, that will cause some problems. Another thing is your heater. If your heater is shorted, that will also cause an issue. Now, in order to test out the heater for shorting, you will test out from one of the terminals to ground. If you have continuity between a terminal and ground, that means that the heater is shorted. If the heater is okay and your airflow is okay, you'll want to replace the thermistor to go with. Now, in order to replace the thermistor, just pull off your wires. And then both of these just have a 1/4" screw on it. So we'll remove this one for the thermistor and pull it out. Just do the same for the thermal fuse. Slide it out and set it to the side. When installing your thermal fuse, it has a small hook on the bottom portion of it. You will put it in and slide it down to hold it in place, and then reinstall your screw. For the thermistor, you will slide in on one angle and then kind of hold it in place. Screw it in. The red wires go to the thermistor. The blue wires go to your thermal fuse. Make sure any heater wires are secured. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, what you'll want to do is bring in at an angle because there's actually a small kind of lip on the back that it can sit on. It'll drop in nice and should line the screws up. So let's get it lined up here and install the first one. I don't like to put that one too tight so that we can move the other ones around if needed. All right, let's move the plate and install the second. Now go around and reinstall the others. Tighten this one up. Reinstall the last one. Go ahead and slap back on our electrical cover and reinstall that screw. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.